Okay, so my name is Billy Koech. I am an intern here at World Data Lab. I'm also a master student at the University of Nairobi. Um, I'm based in Nairobi, Kenya, which is one of the offices of World Data Lab. Yes, my situation was a bit different. I didn't apply for an internship position. I actually participated in one of the hackathons that was done by World Data here in Nairobi. And I was one of the winners of the hackathon, and I was offered an internship here at World Data Lab. So my expectations coming into the internship were mainly focused on data, to see the kind of manipulations people do, interrogation of data, analytics, and also model development. And I think this has all been met during my time here at World Data. They do extensive data interrogation to make sure that all the data that is used by World Data to produce anything from presentations to clocks um, is it's good data. I could say that it's good data. Yeah, and also the smart people at World Data do a lot of analytics on the data to try and draw all sort of conclusions and insights from the data. And also in model development, I believe we have a very brilliant team which does that in terms of developing machine learning algorithms to be used in the data, uh, to be used to predict the data into the future. I think those were my expectations, and I think they have been met extremely well. Yeah. Yeah. So one of the projects that I'm most proud of is one of the projects we're doing with the Mastercard Foundation. We are developing an youth employment clock for Africa. Since I'm an African youth, I think it's close to my heart. So the clock itself shows the number of employed youth as it changes over the years and over time, since the change occurs every single day. And also, the clock provides some insights into the employment situation in Africa and youth in general, and um, analytics on how they are, in what sectors they are employed in, if they are students or not students, and what could be done to assist them further their studies or improve their employment situations. Yeah, I think that's one of the projects that I've enjoyed here at World Data. Okay, so one thing I think I'll remember, or that has been great, is the people. Uh, most people working at World Data are economists, and most of us don't come from an economic background. So the people at World Data are very helpful. They're great people. So if you have any questions, they usually assist you. I think that's something that I've realized. Nobody really expects you to know something that maybe you aren't familiar with. You can ask, and people will assist you in any way they can. So that's the thing I can say most that has stuck with me, the greatness of the people. That's a good question. Um, I think at Wild Data, I've been able to see the impact that data has in the world and in solving world problems. As you can see, with World Data, we have uh, many clocks that cover the sustainable development goals, that track how countries are meeting these goals. This shows great impact in which data can be used to solve world problems, and it has been great to see how we do this at World Data. Yeah, and I think it has really given me a different perspective on how people view data, not just for modeling, but also to show impact of the data itself in the daily lives of people. I think that's. Yeah. To future interns, if you're thinking of applying, I encourage you to apply. You will not regret it. While data lab is a nice place to work or to intern. You learn a lot. And if you're thinking of doing data science or data analytics from a data science intern, I'll tell you, you learn everything you want to learn, because we have so many people doing different aspects of the job within data science, be it analytics, model development. All this will be covered during your internship, and you'll learn a lot, and you'll be able to see your trajectory, where you'll want to focus in the future. Yeah, and the people are great. People don't expect you to come in knowing everything. Yeah, so you can ask whatever question that you have, and people are willing to assist you. Yeah, I think that's the great thing. So if you're thinking about it or you're here, just know it's a great place to be.